Alright, good afternoon and welcome to the Sealing Technologies Labs. This demo is going to be on the A10 SSL bypass features. So we've stood up a simple and easy web server here that will simulate a web server that should be bypassed and not decrypted by the A10 SSL decryptor. This is just a simple web server showing our IP address of the server and the host. If we dig into these certificates, you'll see here that it's being we're given a certificate from the SSL Intercept CA. That means this particular website, although it is trusted, so we do trust this SSL interceptor, it is being decrypted right now, and that decrypted data is being sent to the packet capture and intrusion prevention system. So what we want to do here is log into the A10 SSL decryptor and turn it off just for that site. We'll be logging in with our state credentials. And this user simulates an Arkansas state user. You can see that only the state internal and state external partitions are available. The enterprise partitions, which contain additional policies, are not available for the state user to modify. Since bypassing this level at the state level SSL decryption is an option for the states, we'll be switching to the state internal, and we'll be going into template SSL, client SSL. This is where that client intercept or SSL insight, as they call it, is configured. So you can see down here in the options, what we're doing is SSL forward proxying. That's the actual setting that intercepts and breaks that SSL connection. You can see it down here, we put in our intermediate certificate authority for interception. What we want to do here is in this bypass mode, add in a domain we want to say ends with. So what this is going to do is anything that ends with gnet.net, that could be a law enforcement or state agency that it's illegal to intercept their traffic and break it for the DoD. So we're going to go ahead and add that down here, and we're going to say OK. As soon as we save it, it's now in there, and it'll be bypassing anything going to that specific domain. If we open up our web browser and go back to our simple HTTPS site, you can now see that everything looks the same, everything seems the same, but if we really dig into those certificates again, you'll now see that instead of being given the SSL intercept certificate, we are given a certificate directly from that web server. So this would be simulating the DoD root certificate, or any Google certificate or whatever. So in this case, we're not, we bypass that SSL interception and will not be breaking that. Thank you very much, and hope to have more demos soon.